Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create soft and curls using a flat iron. This technique is very beginners friendly and perfect for everyday or any occasion hairstyles. First I divided the hair into two ponytails. This keeps the hair organized and makes the styling process much easier, especially if you have long or thick hair. I am securing each ponytail with an elastic band. Make sure it's secure so the hair stays in place while you work. Today I am using the mint flat iron and I have it set to 400 Fahrenheit. Since I am working on mannequin hair, I can use higher temperature. If you are styling fine or damaged human hair, choose lower heat setting. Now let's start curling. I am taking about 1 inch section. Keeping the section the same size help create even curls. Notice that I am curling the hair, very ends of the hair. I am not curling the entire strand. When I reach the end, I rotate the flat iron one full turn and slowly glide it through the ends. This creates a soft natural end curl. On the left side, every section is curled away from the face. The mint flat iron has a ceramic plates which provide even heat distribution, help reduce frizz and leave the hair smooth and shiny. So beautiful soft end curls with movement and volume create using a flat iron and just one full turn at the ends. Such a beautiful curls. Now I'm moving to the right side again. Every section is a curl away from the face using the same technique. Continue until you have finished both ponytails. Now I am removing the elastic bands and gently separate the curls with my fingers to give them soft natural look. And here's the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks again.